Welcome to our most common computer problems. Lesson number 4 at the Palm Hopes Foundation Elite Schools. I'm your friend Ahebwa Martin. This is my number, this is my email, and in this video we are going to be learning about overheating problems, data loss, and recovery as most of the common computer problems in this lesson number 4. So let's go to what we are going to be looking after in this lesson. So I think you can see this man here. You see this man? He's having his computer, but now he's frustrated. He's asking himself, what can I do with this computer? Maybe the computer is failing to start due to overheating. Maybe this computer is failing to start due to something else. But the guy is totally frustrated. He's totally frustrated. He's totally asking himself, can I destroy this computer? What can I do to this computer? So let's see what are the overheating problems. So overheating is one of the most common issues that can cause your computer to freeze, shut down unexpectedly, or in extreme cases suffer permanent damage. Here is how to prevent overheating and cool down your overheating computer. Causes of overheating. I think you have heard what are the overheating. It is that it is one of the most common issues that cause your computer to freeze, shut down unexpectedly, or in extreme cases suffer permanent damage. So how can we prevent this? How can we prevent overheating and cool down your computer, your overheating computer? So causes of overheating. What are the causes of overheating? Dust and debris can accumulate over time, clogging fans and air vents, anging thermal paste. This paste between the CPU and the cooler can dry out and become less effective, meaning that you need to add more, to add another one. Malfunctioning cooling fans. Fans or cooling systems might fail. Then we are having environmental factors. Using your computer in a hot room or exposing it to direct sunlight can contribute to overheating. So now let's see cooling down your computer. How do you cool down your computer? To address and prevent overheating, shut down the computer. Give it time to cool off before you start working on it. Then clean the vents and fans. Use compressed air to remove dust from internal components and ensure air can flow freely inside the case. Check and replace thermal paste. If the CPU is running hot, it may need a new one to facilitate better heat transfer. Install additional fans. Increasing airflow within the case can help decrease temperatures. Use a cooling pad for laptops, which can provide additional heat dissipation for portable computers. So these are some of the ways on how you can prevent overheating. So warning and signs. What are these signs that you can easily identify that my computer is passing through the overheating problem or the challenge? Pay attention to these indicators. The fans are constantly running at high speeds. The fan is inside the computer case. Or the system case. Yeah, the system unit. The system crashes or performs sluggishly during high performance tasks. Error messages related to temperature or cooling systems are displayed. When dealing with overheating, handling components carefully is crucial as they are sensitive to static damage. If unsure about to do it yourself fixes, that is the why. So, so then we are also having, if unsure about doing it yourself fixes, seek professional help. Remember that heat management is an ongoing process. Keeping your computer clean and well ventilated can extend its lifespan and keep it running effectively, even if your system is not currently showing signs of overheating. It's advisable to periodically check the condition of your fans and cooling systems. So let's continue. Let's continue. Data loss and recovery. Data loss and recovery. So what is data loss? Data loss can be catastrophic, whether a personal project or business related data has disappeared. It ranks high among the 10 most common computer problems, but there are many ways to recover lost data. So my dear friend, don't think that your information that has been lost cannot be recovered. It can be recovered. Common causes of data loss. What are these causes of what can lead to the loss of data? Accidental deletion. Important files can be mistakenly erased. Important files can be mistakenly erased. Hardware failure, particularly hard drives crashes, can lead to lost data. Particularly hard drive crashes can lead to lost data. Malware attacks. Certain malware types are designed to corrupt or hijack data. Software corruption. Problems with software can lead to corrupted files. Problems with software can lead to corrupted files. Data backup practices to mitigate the damage caused by potential data loss. So regular backups, set up an automated system to regularly backup important files to an external drive or cloud storage. So data backup practices, meaning that protect your information by creating a second copy of your work, of your data, of your documents. So system restore points. Regularly create restore points in your operating system to quickly roll back in case of corruption. Redundancy. Use RAID systems where possible to have immediate backups on hand. Use RAID systems where possible to have immediate backups on hand. Recovering lost data. How do you recover the lost data? If you do lose data, stop using the drive. Stop using the drive. Prevent additional data from being written to it, which may overwrite what you are trying to recover. Meaning that, let's say that you had backed up your information on a certain drive, so or in a certain CD drive, that is compact disk. So you may find that you want to recover the lost data using the same drive. So it means that you will find that you are overwriting, or you are actually trying to recover what is overwritten on the CD. Data recovery software. Utilize reputable data recovery tools to scan for recoverable files on your drives. Professional recovery services. If the lost data is critical and recovery attempts fail, seek services from professional data recovery firms. Let's continue. Preventing future data loss. How do you prevent your data from getting lost? Ensure that you understand the importance of backups and have multiple backup solutions in place. Backups, that is creating second copy of your document, of your data, or your information. And malware measures are taken to protect your computer from malicious software, that is installation of antivirus programs on your computer. Then power surge protectors prevent sudden loss of power from causing file corruption and hardware damages. Maintaining good data hygiene practices and backup strategies can significantly minimize the risk of severe data loss scenarios. Educate yourself on using your computer effectively without risking precious data, so that a simple mistake does not lead to a major setback. Data loss does not always mean that files are gone forever. Depending on how quickly you act and the measures you already have in place, you may be able to minimize the consequences and restore lost information with relative ease. So, my dear friend, I hope that you have got something from this lesson number 4. So, thank you so much for watching. Consider commenting down there in case you have not understood something, and in case you have got something and actually this video becomes has been of more profitable to you, consider to subscribe, consider to like, consider to share, to also make computing easier. I wish you a good